y'all, it's Celine, and I have a small Azure order that I would love to share with you today. So first off, it's a very small order. I got, what is this, 25 pounds of hard white wheat, and I keep these in 5-gallon buckets, and I have several of them. I have hard white wheat, and I also have einkorn wheat berries. And I have a wheat mill, a wheat grinder, and right now I'm just using flour. If I can find einkorn flour, or if I'm using white flour, which I rarely use because I just prefer einkorn. But if I can, just use flour, then I just buy and use flour, and I save my wheat berries because they are good for, literally 20 years, 25, 30, I don't know. They're going to outlive me. But anyway, so that's that. And I did not unbox this order because I wanted you to see how they box things. Now, I only have one box. So as I said, this is a small order. They always send you the sales flyer. I bought several boxes of Jovial einkorn crackers. And I buy those several at a time because this is the only place I can find them from. So I got rosemary, sorry, I'm jerking the camera around, and sea salt. And I think those were the only two options. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I probably got more than I meant to, it looks like. Yep, I went crazy. Actually, I've been out for about a month, so I'm sure that's why I went crazy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, and they are small boxes, and they are a little pricey, but they were on sale. And the sourdough and the einkorn together help give this a very gentle carb. It processes differently. As a diabetic, I need things not to just turn straight to sugar as soon as I eat them, and these do not do that for me. The carb count is lower. It is I think it's like 1 carb per cracker, and if you look at most crackers, they're 3, 4, 5, 6 carbs a piece, and so I can have a few of these and still be okay. All right, so there's another one. Yeah, I didn't want to run out, did I? Dogs are over there munching away. All right, I'm sure I'm going to wish I had ordered several of these. And this is onion soup and dip mix. The ingredients are very clean. Onion, potato flour, salt, dextrose. I don't know if that's clean or not. I need to look that up. Mushroom powder and sunflower oil. But I can guarantee you that it is way cleaner than the mushroom soup in the little packets that you get at the store. Another one. Gosh, I was afraid I was going to run out of those, huh? And I also bought Pure pet odor eliminator, and I need that right now because I do have these 2 little guys, and neither of them go potty in the house. But look what else I've got in the house right now. I've got Lucky Duck, Lucky Ducky. So anyway, odor eliminator is a good thing to have. I also have a gallon of red wine vinegar. It's organic. It's canning season. I got 1 pound of dried cranberries. I think I meant to get more than that. No, I take that back. They were a little pricier than I thought they were going to be. So I was thinking about ordering 5 pounds, but it would have been $40 or $50. I think they're $8 a pound or something like that. And so I thought, yeah, we don't need that many that bad. But I'll probably order a couple pounds next time because we love these things. These are delicious. They're infused with apple juice rather than made with sugar, so they're not as sugary, as full of sugar as the others are, and we really like those. And last but not least is Nancy's Probiotic Sour Cream. Y'all, this stuff is amazing, 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 amazing. I love it. Now, I've seen a lot of people on Azure order like the 6-pack. It's cheaper if you buy it by the 6-pack, and put it in the freezer. Well, I'm here to tell you that does not work. It does not freeze well. So order just what you need for the month. And it doesn't have, because it has live probiotics in it, it does not have a long expiration date. Like this is the 13th of July. This is good for a little over a month, which is fine. But I mean, if you order a 6-pack, you better be able to eat them in 4 weeks, 5 weeks at the most. That's the farthest out date I've seen. Usually it's right at a month or slightly under a month. But anyway, this stuff is so good. It's the best sour cream I've ever tasted. So that's it, bottom of the box. It's not very pretty sitting out. So many people have their Azure hauls all arranged gorgeously. Well, that's my tiny little Azure haul, y'all. And I just love Azure Standard. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in looking. If you go through my link and register, basically start an account, which means nothing on your end. You don't have to buy anything. There's no requirements. There's no monthly minimums. No nothing. You don't have to order if you don't want to order. Order as much as you want, as little as you want, as often as you want, as often as you don't want. Whatever. I didn't order last month, and I don't know. I'm sure I will order next month because I really missed it. I want butter. They were out of butter this time, and I absolutely adore their grass-fed European style butter. And it's way cheaper than, what's the Irish grass-fed butter you get? What's that called? I can't think of it, but you know what I mean. Anyway, way cheaper. And it's, I think, better. So anyway, that's it. That's my tiny little Azure haul. Thanks for joining me. Guys, if you like this video, if you want to see more like them, if you want to see more grocery hauls, I never do a grocery haul. I'd be happy to do that if you're interested in it. And let me know what else you're interested in seeing, and I will be happy to do that for you. And if you would like, please subscribe. I would love to have you in my community, and we're going to be doing some really fun things this summer. Homesteading, preserving, gardening, all the things. So, anywho, it's good to see ya, and I hope to see you next time, and I love you guys. Mwah!